Welcome to our channel Home Decor USA. Step into a world where elegance meets functionality of the Entrance Foyer, a captivating prelude to your living space. Beyond its architectural grace lies a space designed to welcome you with open arms. Whether it's the warm embrace of ambient lighting or the practical allure of organized storage, the Entrance Foyer is where first impressions linger, leaving an indelible mark on your journey through the threshold of style and comfort. An Entrance Foyer serves as the gateway to a home or building, creating the first impression for visitors. This transitional space is more than just a passage, it sets the tone for the entire interior. Often considered the focal point of architectural design, an entrance foyer welcomes occupants and guests with a blend of functionality and aesthetics. The design of the foyer can vary widely, ranging from grand and spacious in larger residences to more modest and cozy in smaller homes.
Subscribe for the dose of design brilliance. Evaluate your home's first impression with expert insights on crafting the perfect entrance foyer. From chic lighting to clever storage solution, our subscriber get exclusive tips for creating space that leave a lasting impact. Join us and let's inform your entrance into a stylish statement. Subscribe today for a daily dose of design inspiration.